Hello students, once again welcome to Sochi Science Classroom. Today we shall discuss about the last topic of the chapter, Nationalism in India, that is the sense of collective belonging. Let us study in detail. What is the sense of collective belonging? The sense of togetherness. The sense of collective belonging came when all people are facing the united struggle for the common enemy. Nationalism spread when people begin to feel that they are the part of the nation, when they discover some unity that binds them together. But there were a variety of cultural processes through which nationalism captured the people's imagination. History and fiction, folklore and songs, popular prints and symbols all played a major part in the making of nationalism. How did cultural process help in creating a sense of collective belonging in India? First point, personification of nation through a figure. It was with the growth of nationalism that the identity of nation was associated with the image of Bharat Mata. The image of Bharat Mata was first created by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. In 1817, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay wrote the national song of India, Vande Mataram, in his novel Ananda Madhav. Who created the first image of Bharat Mata? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Next, Abhinendranath Tagore was an artist. Abhinendranath Tagore painted the famous image of Bharat Mata. In his painting, Bharat Mata was portrayed as an ascetic figure. She is calm, composed, divine and spiritual. How was Bharat Mata portrayed in the painting of Abhinendranath Tagore? In his painting, Bharat Mata was portrayed as an ascetic figure. She is calm, composed, divine and spiritual. Devotion to this mother figure came to be seen as the evidence of one's nationalism. Second point, folklore and songs. What is folklore and songs? A song originating among the people of a country or area, passed by oral tradition from one generation to the next generation. During that time, most of the people were illiterate. To make the people understand, we need to have a common medium of instruction. So that the nationalists introduced some symbols, images, poems, story, folklore and songs, etc. to create nationalism. In the 19th century, nationalists began collecting the folk tales sung by bards, and they toured villages to gather the folk songs. Who were bards? Means poets. They believed that the folk tales gave a true picture of our traditional culture. In Bengal, Rabindranath Tagore began collecting popular ballads and nursery rhymes. Ballads means a poem narrating story. In Madras, Nadesha Shastri published a 4-volume collection of Tamil folk tales known as Folklore of Southern India. Dear students, here we can see movements to revive Indian folklore played an important role in developing the ideas of nationalism. Third point, use of icons and symbols. Dear students, there were two main flags used by the people during that time. They were Swadeshi flag and Swaraj flag. Explain the main features of Swadeshi flag. During the Swadeshi movement in Bengal, a tricolour flag, that is red, green and yellow, was designed. It had 8 lotuses representing 8 British provinces and a crescent moon representing Hindus and Muslims unity. Next one, Swaraj flag. Explain the main features of Swaraj flag. A tricolour flag, that is red, green and white, was designed by Mahatma Gandhi in 1921. Who had created the Swaraj flag? Mahatma Gandhi. It had a spinning wheel in the center representing Gandhian ideal of self-help. Carrying the flag, holding it aloft during marches became a symbol of defiance. Last point, reinterpretation of history. The British saw India as primitive and backward and incapable of governing themselves. In response, Indians began discovering the great achievements in the past. They wrote about glorious developments in the past, when the art and architecture, law and philosophy, science and mathematics, religion and caste, craft and trade had flourished. These nationalist histories urged the readers to take pride in India's great achievements in the past. Dear students, our topic is over. Today we studied about how did cultural process help in creating a sense of collective belonging in India. This topic is very important topic in this chapter. URL related to this topic is attached. Notes and test questions are also attached. Read the textbook thoroughly. We can meet in the next session. Bye.